Hello everyone, and welcome to this course, Terraform with DigitalOcean for the impatient. So, what are we going to learn on this course? We're going to learn about Terraform and the DigitalOcean provider. Now, most examples you see on the web are too basic, and here we're going to create a scenario you'll most likely encounter if you've decided to create a high availability setup for your infrastructure. We're going to get comfortable managing our infrastructure without ever clicking around the DigitalOcean UI, or at least we'll try to click around the least possible. We'll be using the CLI and Terraform to get our infrastructure up and running, and also to apply any updates to it as we go along. Now, the next question is, what are we actually going to manage in DigitalOcean with Terraform? Well, we'll manage DNS entries, droplets, which are basically DigitalOcean's way of referring to virtual machines, and databases. All of that will be managed using Terraform. While doing all of this, we'll definitely acquire some knowledge about the DigitalOcean API, which is ultimately what Terraform uses in order to create and manage infrastructure for us. Also, we'll learn how to set up our infrastructure using industry standard best practices. We won't just leave our servers out open. We'll secure them properly. We'll also make use of SSL for communication, etc., etc. So the question left now is, what are we actually going to create? Here's a quick drawing defining it. We'll have a private and a public network. In the public network will sit our load balancer, which will spread the load across our fleet of servers, and a jump box, because that's the strategy we'll be using to get inside our infrastructure, having a single point of communication with the outside world, keeping it more secure and easier to secure. But I don't want to get into too much detail at this point, as we'll see all of these in next videos. Then we'll have a private network where our servers will sit and also our database instance. And this whole setup will be able to replicate it in multiple environments, for example, for pre-production and production, with just a single click.